Can't worry about no splinters. Oh!
Man down! Alright guys, we are here today with the world's greatest barefoot skateboarder. I got a lot of questions.
My name's Evan Turner. I'm 25 years old. I was born in Vallejo, but I grew up out here in Fairfield, skated here every day. We used to skate to the skate park, race to the skate park. You know, this is just our stomping ground where we learned everything. From a drop in to a roll in, you know what I'm saying, to jump in the 7 stair. Everything happened right here.
And how long you been skating for?
15 years.
15 years skating at this skate park right here, and this is your local?
Yeah.
Okay, and what brought about the no-foot, barefoot skateboarding?
So basically, I had been skating for so long and I wanted to push myself to another level, like after trying El Toro and just skating big roofs. So like one day after church, I was just like, I just took my shoes off and said, God, just take me in the right direction. I'm gonna try to up the skateboarding game to the next level and just see what I can do on the drop side end of barefoot skating.
So you were trying to do big drops.
Yeah.
Did you see, you know what this reminds me of? Did you see that Jamie Thomas clip where he ollies with the no
Yeah,
feet?
so that one I actually posted that earlier on my Instagram of my barefoot account to give him like his tribute, because that's what kind of blew my mind. I was like, let me see where I could take this, because I'm able to really like take a lot of pain on the skateboard, and like I've learned my ollie. You know, I spent 15 years on the ollie. That's my favorite trick. You know, so I was like, I could take this to another level.
So what's the biggest set of stairs you've ever done barefoot?
15 stairs right now.
15 stairs. I would never ollie 15. I mean, I shouldn't say never, but I'm not ollieing 15 stairs with shoes, with special.
So, hey, you want to hear the story to that?
Yeah, tell me everything.
So look, I'm out here. I do a gap lip on this, and I couldn't get it the night before, like with shoes. Come here the next day, I do that. So I'm about to go meet up with my friends to go film a video part.
Yeah.
I go out there on the BART, and I'm skating to Berkeley. They said meet us in Berkeley. I'm skating, and I see the 15. It's like the Berkeley 15. So
Berkeley 15?
I hear skaters in the corner, but my friends are not there yet. I'm like, bro, I want to ollie this right now. I'm like, there's no waiting, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I skate around the corner. I'm like, hey, little homies, like, can y'all film this clip for me? And they're like, you're not gonna ollie this 15 stair barefoot. I'm like, yes, I am, bro. Like, trust me. At the time, I had my like pro off-white shoes on. I was like, trust me, I'm gonna ollie this 15 stairs. So one homie standing on the top, one of them standing there. They're like kind of scared for me, you know what I'm saying? So I go around the back corner, because there's not really straight run up. You have to kind of go around the corner. Yeah. So I ran around the corner, ollied it first try. I landed on my board, but you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. And when I felt that, when I was like, that had me adrenaline. I was like, let's go. Like, so then the second try, I landed it, and like I was hurt, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't feel it because I had so much adrenaline. I was like, what?
Okay, so you landed it and you said you were hurt.
So I've never bailed and felt the bail. Ooh. I've only landed, so that's what that proved, like landing on your skateboard, it takes some of the impact away. Yeah, that's what I don't know what would happen if you bailed off, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we don't want to know what happens when you bail off. That like mentally, there's like no barrier there that you're thinking like, this is scary.
This is how I got myself to do it though. It's like, you gotta think, like, I love skating, I'm trying to push it, so in my mind I'm telling myself, like, I have to do this, you know what I'm saying, for skateboarding. Right. Want me to hit the 7 right there?
So you weren't scared at all?
Like, I'll show you the same exact process on that 7 right now.
All right.
First try, like, we just got here.
I'm scared for him. I feel like he should be scared, and he's not scared. There's like the fear factor, something turned off in the mind right there.
You're gonna be scared, but if you could just tell yourself like it's for a bigger purpose. But look, I won't even go that fast towards it. And I run, you know, as fast as I can. Throw it down. Oh! Listen, that didn't even hurt at all though.
At all.
At all.
Because the board provides you with some extra cushion?
No, it's just like the training behind it.
You ever landed primo?
Oh my God, bro. Let me see if I still got a cut. Dude, I like cut this toe right here. Yeah. Try and nollie laser to like back lip over that hip. And I landed like this, like barely. I'm talking about, and just started leaking. I was like, oh.
Oh no, you were bleeding. Yeah. Oh no.
But that's what I'm saying. I haven't tried that trick since, but I've learned like different nollie laser variations I can do. So it's all like a learning process, because I haven't really watched anybody kind of take it. All I have is that Jamie Thomas or like, but I mean, I even gap lip slide that handrail.
No way.
Yeah.
Bare feet.
Bare feet. So look, I'm starting. I throw down right here. One push. Up, up. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go over like this. Hit it in. Fakey. Come up. No.
Do your feet hurt? Because mine do.
Now I'm gonna hit that hip after. Over here. Look at quick little board slide. All right, right here, a little back tail for the homies.
A smoother dismount than you with shoes on.
Why you always got to be comparing me, Gabriel?
Okay, I'm sorry.
I heel flipped the 15.
All right, I'm sorry.
This is all for y'all, the viewers, right here. Learn how to kick flip from my guy. Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
All right, hey, nollie cab.
What?
Woo! Almost died. I almost died right there.
This is Tony Hawk Pro Skater skate park.
Hey, this one's for y'all viewers, first try. Let's see how many first try chicks we can put in the bag.
Oh my God.
That's for y'all right there, first try. I'm gonna show y'all the car line we've been doing our whole life. We used to call this the Fairfield Freeway. Fridays.
Fairfield Friday Freeway.
Yo!
That is the Fairfield Freeway, all right. Back 540 over that hip. All right.
That's a chunky board right there. Show them A25, look, it's shredded.
Wow.
Can't worry about no splinters. Huh. Hey, I'm gonna try one of these back threes, bro. Back 5 over the hip, right here. Full send. This one's for y'all, this is scary.
Oh!
The transition here is actually perfect.
Should I give it one more?
Yeah, you got it.
Sheesh, that one's scary. I don't even think anybody else is doing those right now, barefoot. Full set. Braille skateboarding, follow. Oh, I got scared.
He got scared. He does get scared.
Hey, I'm human. I'm not ET. Right here, I'm just kidding. I'm an alien. How you warm up?
Yeah.
Hey, I go like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you got it. All right, right here, all in.
Oh!
Dang it. In skateboarding, we don't count those. No? I won't count that one. Y'all just made me get better at this trick. Woo!
Yeah!
Oh,
Oh, sick.
what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never done it like that. Hey, that was for y'all. Follow Braille Skateboarding. They're collabing with real influencers, and they keep it real, unlike a lot of the skate industry. So, much love. Whoa! Was I going fast enough?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm putting all my trust in the guy right here. Let's go. Oh, I think that was fast enough.
That was good speed.
No matter how good you get, you're always gonna be working on something new. That's one of those things you gotta know, little homies. See, we just been here for 30 minutes. We already having a workout. Look at JD's about to go crazy. Show him a 3 over the spine real quick. 3? Oh, he's got him on. I already know he's got him on lock. He's got him every try. He's acting like he done. Watch. Oh, see, I know my homies right here. Yeah. Bro, that 360 was sick. I already knew. See, I already knew. You're gonna win the Olympics, bro. I already call it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ah! Hey, I'm stoked on that one. That's a new one for me. That one came to me in my dreams the other night. Yeah? Yeah, it was like, do this manual and ollie the 7. For some reason, that locked perfect right there. I've always hated this ledge, man.
Really?
It's too small. Like, they couldn't give us a bigger ledge. And that's why I'm the worst ledge skater in the world. If you're gonna be the best at something, you also have to be the worst at something.
Yeah.
Sketch. Hey, let's hit this from this corner to this ramp.
Holy.
Whoa.
That's all you got. You gotta skate fast.
Yeah, I noticed that. I feel like this skating fast helps you a lot.
Definitely helps. When you go slow, it's gonna be more impact.
Yeah.
So it's like behind the physics. I went to school at San Diego State for engineering, and I didn't finish because I was skating every day in San Diego. How am I supposed to make it to class?
Yeah, that's true.
Don't be like me. Go to class, all right? Because I had perfect attendance as a kid through like high school and stuff, but as soon as I got to college, never went to class because I wanted to skate. Unless you want to be a skateboarder and you're gonna give it everything you got, go to class. That's my tip for the kids. We're gonna go beam plan in.
Yeah.
The faster, the easier. Oh my! The board left my feet. Literally.
That was sketchy.
The board literally left my feet. Usually I could switch heel barefoot, but this board has not been nice to my flat ground.
Oh yeah.
Sheesh, see? I swear flat ground tricks have not been working and all of a sudden just... Oh, I got one more trick for y'all. This is like my new favorite trick right here. I go nollie laser. Hey, thank you,
Replacement,
my G.
replacement.
Yeah. Hey, keep straightening, y'all.
Keep
We're
coming
gonna keep going. Hey, y'all have a great day, all right?
Yes, sir.
Thanks,
It's
you
good
too.
meeting y'all.
Good meeting you too.
You're a legend. You're a legend. Bro, we applaud the filmers, bro. Y'all don't even show you, bro. You gotta show them.
Oh, they know who I am.
Hey, you have a good one, Ricky?
You too, you shredded.
Bro, homies.
You killed it, that was amazing.
Woo, just having fun every day.
Yeah, I
I
noticed
love,
that.
I love skateboarding so much. I'll never stop skateboarding for
Yeah.
the rest of my life.
It really, really shows in your skating too. I love that you're just having fun, you're just out there doing your thing. So I'm rolling through this here and I hit this thing and I look down and I see this. What is that? It's little
There's glass everywhere in this
and you
park.
don't even know you
At this point, I can walk through glass.
Yeah, I bet you can.
I've already cut myself a lot.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you is the bottom of your feet must be
Y'all
like...
want to see them?
Yeah.
After that session, this is what they're gonna look like. This is why I be getting pedicures sometimes and stuff.
Yeah, you're calloused up.
If you have talent and you don't put it to something, you're never gonna get nowhere with your talent.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And that's why I always knew, like, with all the tricks I was doing, like even at Wilbur, like I was known as just like the kid who would just skate all day. Like I didn't even skate barefoot.
You
So
just
I
kept
think
going.
that's like my name, you know. It's like I'm an endurance powerhouse because like I just don't stop. You feel me?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Well, it's very inspirational. If you guys are watching this and this didn't inspire you to get out there and get on your skateboard, I don't know what will. If you are watching this and you have not started skateboarding, get a skateboard and get started.
The world is yours, kids. Go out there and show them what you can do because it could be easy for you. Do something great for the world that you never thought you could do.
Let's go!
We love y'all. This is for y'all. Hey, when we leave this video, we're still skating, so sheesh.
Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.